स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक हमने प्रोग्रामेबल इंटरवल टाइमर में उसका पिन डायग्राम, प्रोग्रामेबल इंटरवल टाइमर 8253/54 का पिन डायग्राम, उसका आर्किटेक्चर और उसका कंट्रोल वर्ड रजिस्टर डिस्कस किया था। अब हम इसके ऑपरेटिंग मोड्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। एज इट इज़ क्लियर दैट देयर आर 6 डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग मोड्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मोड 0 टू मोड 5। तो वी विल डिस्कस about each operating mode one by one. So now I am going to discuss about mode 0. Mode 0 operation is also known as interrupt on terminal count. What does it mean? It means that when the counter reaches its final value, that is called terminal count, then interrupt signal is given. Interrupt signal is generated. How? Here the interrupt signal is given through the output pin of the counter. As we know that counter has 3 pins: clock, gate and out. Here the clock and gate are input pins and out is the output pin which is connected to the processor. Now to explain the complete operation of this mode 0, we have to use the waveform of the signals used in this mode. So what is the complete process of mode 0? We will discuss here. First, we have to initiate mode 0, and for that we have to write the required control word in the control word register. We have to write control word in the control word register. When the control word is written in the control word register, out signal which is initially high become low. Out signal which is initially high become low after the writing of control word. And this signal remains low until the counter reaches 0, at which after the count value becomes 0, the out signal again become high. So this high out signal is working as interrupt for the processor. Now this out signal remains high until the next count is loaded and decrementing operation is started in the counter. Okay. Here one thing very important which is to be noted, that counting operation will be started only if the gate signal is high. Suppose that gate signal is low, then counting will be disabled. So here each and every signal has its own significance. Here from the waveform you can see that here I have drawn 4 different signals. One is write bar, that is control signal. Second is clock signal. Third is gate signal, and fourth is out signal. Write bar signal is used for providing some required data to this IC, that is programmable interval timer. Here we are using 2 types of data, that is 2 types of values. One is control word and second is count value. So first control word is written in the control word register so that mode 0 is initiated. After that count value is loaded in the counter so that counter will start its operation. So after the writing of control word from the clock cycle, it can be seen that when the control word is written in the control word register and gate signal is high, and when the control word is written in the control word register and gate signal is high, then out signal which is initially high become low from the next clock cycle. Here out signal become low, and now it remains low until the count value becomes 0. It is shown the count value. Why the count value is shown here 4? Because when the value is loaded in the counter, count value is here taken as 4. So when we load 4 in the counter, from the next clock cycle counter starts its operation. So in the next clock cycle the initial value of the counter is 4. After that, after every clock cycle its value is will be decreased by 1 value. So after 1 clock cycle it becomes 3, then next clock cycle it becomes 2, then 1, and then after that it becomes 0. And when the count value becomes 0, the out signal becomes high. I think it is clear to you, students. What is the role of gate signal here? Gate signal is used to enable the counting operation. What is the role of write signal here? Write signal is used to provide data to the IC. Which type of data? Control word as well as the count value. What is the use of out signal? Out signal is used to show the operation of counter. until out signal remains low until the count value becomes 0. When count value becomes 0, it will become high, and it remains high until the next count value is loaded in the counter. This is one of the cases of mode 0. In one more case I would like to use here to explain the use of gate pulse, as well as if we load more than one count value, then what will happen. यहाँ पे हम कुछ और केसेस डिस्कस करेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे आप ये देख रहे हो कि हमने कंट्रोल वर्ड रजिस्टर, दूसरा केस हमने लिया, कंट्रोल वर्ड रजिस्टर में हमने कंट्रोल वर्ड राइट कर दिया, फिर वही सेम काउंट हमने 4 लोड कर दिया. तो आप ये देख रहे हो कि ये क्लॉक सिग्नल है, क्लॉक सिग्नल में कोई भी डिस्क्रिपेंसी नहीं है, ये एक कंटिन्यूस क्लॉक पल्स यूज होगी यहाँ पे. गेट सिग्नल कंटिन्यूसली हाई है, कुछ टाइम के बाद ये लो हो जाता है, यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो. अब आप ये देखोगे कि जैसे ही आपने कंट्रोल वर्ड रजिस्टर में कंट्रोल वर्ड राइट किया, उसके बाद उसके नेक्स्ट क्लॉक साइकिल से आपका आउट सिग्नल लो हो गया. अब आपने जब काउंट वैल्यू लोड की, उसके बाद काउंटिंग स्टार्ट हो गई, मतलब डिक्रीमेंटिंग ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. जैसे ही काउंट वैल्यू लोड की, उसके बाद से ये वैल्यू शो होने लगी आउट सिग्नल पे 4, देन नेक्स्ट क्लॉक साइकिल में 3,